We meet them bad shady belly passa with the video we a bust. I flames, all the dancing movie and like a start limbo. Tough a lie, me teach them no. Star swing shot, can I beat them so. LOL, any seed where you sow that you reap. LOL, master guys, that's a dancing need. LOL, dominant that take the whole street. Just catch you dance,
Bappy. Welcome back. Welcome back in Jamaica. We are all our vibes. Now in Jamaican entertainment history, as Dancin Dynamites, the island's premier televised dance competition, it marks 20 explosive years of talent, energy, and culture. Here to talk to us about the journey and brand new era is series producer Sutania Williams and mentor Shapiro Samuel. Hey, listen, you know Shapiro.
They went no in government name. Shapiro.
I know Shapiro from Shapiro. In a part of our squad, you know, the man turned mentor.
Mentor to the dancers, for sure.
I mean, 20 years. Did you guys imagine 20 years, the kind of longevity for a competition? A lot of competitions don't last that long.
No, we did not imagine 20 years. I mean, when we started, we thought 10 years. Let's get to the 10-year milestone. And then the support of the sponsors, the dancers love it. Then we say, okay, let's move on from that. And before we know it, it's 20 years this year. I mean, it's so exciting. We're so excited for it.
Dancin Dynamites has launched a lot of careers.
Oh God, yes.
A lot of careers. Every year you have a different group of dancers. When you think about the legacy, what are some of the things that jump out at you, and in some of the names that you can say, you know, wait a minute.
Listen, you know what's so funny? Like some of the dancers, and Chappie will tell you, they're being called by the name that they get. So for instance, when we have the cartoon nights, some of the dancers did Scooby-Doo. They call them Scooby-Doo. One of the dancers did...
Star Wars.
Star Wars. They call them by that name.
They call them by the name.
They call them Pokemon. They call them based on the competition, and that name goes with them throughout. So what is kind of interesting is that Dancin Dynamite, the kind of people we've unearthed, right? People don't know Triple X was a dancer. Don't know what Triple X was with JD in Untouchable Squad. It was the baddest thing. Dan was here. Dan was here. Rebel was here. TC was here.
TC as well, yeah.
Didn't one of your dancers also made it to the Red Bull competition?
Red Bull the other day. So they're in the go off and they enter other competitions, and they make us proud too, because they go away and we said, you can't go other competition.
Turkey. They haven't gone to Turkey.
Them not gonna get you neither.
But you know, it's just about how much, you know, we've poured into them and how much they've poured into us, and the sponsors. I can't stop talking about the sponsors. You hear people say all the time, Duffy, you know this, thanks to our sponsors, but they make it happen, right? They make it. They've made us be able to be here for 20 years, and then the passion, the dancers. Chappie was year one of the competition.
Yes.
Chappie entered.
Yeah.
So transitioning now to mentor, how is that?
So I've been working a few years ago now with Jenny and Madam Producer. Behind the scene to help fix up the routine and, you know, mentor the dancers as well as keep them intact for the stage performance and, you know, to keep them ready. Yeah. As usual. So we have more, as a dancer, you have to see where their vision is and to use your creativity, because you've been through it. So you use your creativity with their creativity and you gel it together, and then you get a perfect routine, and you know, they're on the stage.
And you know what, Chappie is so perfect because Chappie speaks their language, right? It can relate to them. So certain things, look, they would say, what's you doing? You know, like they don't want to talk to me and Jenny about certain things when they're shy, and you go to them, you say, okay, yes, Madam Producer, I'm good. And then go to Chappie, Lord of mercy. You know, it's a whole different thing. And so we've been around the island with them. So we've done Mandeville, we've done Kingston, we've done Mobile. Big up to Mandeville.
Yes, that's where I'm from. Yeah,
big up to Mandeville and St. Elizabeth, because when you talk about resilience and coming back, we saw that when we went down with the dancers. We brought down care packages for them, and we are still collecting more to send. So the Jenny Foundation is doing that, and as we go around the island, we're going to give out to people. But can we just drum roll for this Saturday? Can we just drum roll?
All right, so we have a dance. We're not gonna make Sutania, because if you leave Sutania alone, Sutania talk about that for the entire show. So Yeah. What are we doing next? What?
No, but let me say this before we go.
When the show starts?
MECA. This Saturday,
Quickly,
right?
10 seconds.
This Saturday, 2 o'clock, come out. We have Fambo, we have Tamba the Great, we have Kiva Diva, we have Latanya Styles. Everybody's going to be at MECA. You know MECA, Marketplace, 67 Constance
Yes,
Spring Road.
and
come on out. Dance classes, JD, at 12.
Dance class
at 12.
from 12 to 1.
Well, all right, listen.
Come out.
We're not finished now because we're going to dance.
Ready for dancing now? Ready for dancing? You're going to be dancing?
And we can't celebrate Dancin Dynamites, so they're bringing the same fire right here to the daytime live stage. So as we wrap up, you know we're going to have the dancers roll out. Dancers, Adam said boom. The dancers boom. The dancers boom. All right, jump shop. Come Dejan.
Yeah,
Dejan, you can dance?
Ready? Yeah, you ready?
Dejan. Come Dejan. Dejan, your dancer, come. Come Dejan, come. Come Dejan, you're a professional dance member, come.
Any man we don't rate the youth, then them pan, print, pan the bottom and we put them out. Let's go! Zip it up there, 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 zip it, stir fry, turn up the vibes, stir fry. Slingshot, stir fry, stir. I summertime now and everybody outside. I take gyal a road round now fat line. Design and fresh force them a low white. Hennessy white when you see we know a pure. My mouth it can't slip. My face it see me now. Girl ice me from man. That never go low. Tell them this you a show, you tell you a story. Just this way, you know. I was a night, me a sneaky feel. Hey, Rufus. Keisha, the man well wanted. She promised, I'm here. Pull up.